Hello everyone and welcome to the Voices Foundation Virtual Singing Assembly. My name is Stuart and I'm really excited to be with you here today to teach you some songs and some warm-ups for you to do wherever you might be. The Voices Foundation will be here every weekday at 1 p.m. With different songs, different warm-ups to get singing going in your homes. So whether you're on your own or with your whole family, I encourage you all to join in, get a bit of singing going today and have some fun with it. So with that in mind, I think we should get going. Stand up, find a space wherever you are and repeat after me. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-rickety-trickety-split, lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip, toodly-pip. Hop and a skip, hop and a skip. Let's take the tempo down a bit. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-rickety-trickety-split, lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip, toodly-pip. Hop and a skip, hop and a skip. Let's take the volume down a bit. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-rickety-trickety-split, lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip, toodly-pip. Hop and a skip, hop and a skip. Let's take the volume up a bit. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-rickety-trickety-split, lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip, toodly-pip. Hop and a skip, hop and a skip. Let's take the tempo up a bit. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-rickety-trickety-split, lickety-rickety-trickety-split. Toodly-pip, toodly-pip. Hop and a skip, hop and a skip. Let's take the tempo up a bit. Say lickety-split, 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 lickety-split. Lickety-rickety-trickety-split, lickety-rickety-trickety-split, toodly-pip, toodly-pip, hop and a skip, and now I think we are done. Oh, that got my brain going a little bit, maybe you got a bit tongue-tied. We're going to carry on warming up. This is a great song called Gonna Energize the Body, and I particularly want you to copy not only what I do with my body, but what I do with my voice whilst doing this song. So, listen carefully and try and copy the best you can. Gonna energize the body. Gonna energize the body. Gonna get the body ready. Gonna get the body ready. Gonna feel that beat. Gonna feel that beat. And we're gonna keep it steady. And we're gonna keep it steady. We're in the mood, we're in the know. We're in the mood, we're in the know. Get ready, get set, and here we go. Get ready, get set, and here we go. Gonna pump those lungs. Gonna pump those lungs. Gonna dive in the lake. Woo! Splosh. Gonna dive in the lake. Woo! Splosh. Gonna work those tongues. Gonna work those tongues. Gonna shiver and shake. Gonna shiver and shake. Then we strike a pose. Then we strike a pose. And we make a stand. And we make a stand. And we punch the air with a bold right hand. And we punch the air with a bold right hand. 8 times with me. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna energize the body. You're going to energize the body. Gonna get the body ready. Gonna get the body ready. Gonna feel that beat. Gonna feel that beat. And we're gonna keep it steady. And we're gonna keep it steady. We're in the mood, we're in the know. We're in the mood, we're in the know. Get ready, get set, and here we go. Get ready, get set, and here we go. Gonna laugh in our boots. Ho, 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 ho. Gonna laugh in our boots. Ho, 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 ho. Do a fireworks show. Do a fireworks show. Make a face like fruits. Big pumpkin. Little tiny raisin face. Make a face like fruits. Big pumpkin, little tiny raisin face. Gonna let our lasso go, yee-hi-yo. Gonna let our lasso go, yee-hi-yo. Then we strike a pose, and we make a stand, We punch the air with a bold right hand, and we punch the air with a bold right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna energize the body. Gonna energize the body. Gonna get the body ready. Gonna get the body ready. Gonna feel that beat. Gonna feel that beat. And we're gonna keep it steady. And we're gonna keep it steady. We're in the mood. We're in the know. We're in the mood. We're in the know. Get ready, get set, and here we go. Get ready, get set, and here we go. Fantastic. If you're anything like me, my heart is racing a little bit faster now. Did you notice though, not only did we do all those actions, the different voices that we used. We were using our low voices. Ah, can you make a nice low sound for me? Ah, yes, might not be quite as low as mine, but that's okay. What about a nice high sound? Can you go woo? Fantastic. Yours might be even higher than mine. But we also used some different types of voices. We had that feel the mood and feel the know. We got that little twang voice, just going yeah. Yeah, I like that voice. It's kind of an American voice. We also had some very round, posh sounds in there. Good. So hopefully not only your body feels warmed up, but also your voices. I'm going to teach you a song today, and it's called Yonder Come Day, and it's from the Georgia Sea Islands. It's a traditional song, and it's about greeting the new day. Not just that it's a brand new day outside, but it's a brand new day in our hearts, in our souls as well. The words go, yonder come day, day is a breaking, yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking, sun is arising in my soul. And yonder come day means, look over there, the day is coming. It's a sort of old school word really for look over there, yonder. So the song goes like this. Yonder come day, day is a breaking, yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking, sun is a rising in my soul. Might go first. Yonder come day, day is a breaking, yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Oh my soul. It's tricky that little bit. Listen one more time. Oh my soul. Oh my soul. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is arising in my soul. Sun is arising in my soul. And I like to do those actions on the last line. Sun is arising in my soul. Try it with the actions. Sun is arising in my soul. Good. Have a listen to the whole song through, and maybe while I'm singing, you can practice walking along with the beat or the pulse of the song. Have a listen first. Ready and yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is arising in my soul. Let's be ready to give it a go. Marching the beat at the same time. Ready, off we go. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is a rising in my soul. And again, yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is a rising in my soul. Good. In fact, while you're marching around, you might take that for a little journey. So when we get to those choruses, you might want to have a wander around. If you have some other people, you might give them a little wave, other people in your room or in your family, a little hi as you go past. It's like a nice morning greeting song, this, isn't it, as it goes. The verses are really simple. I sing a bit and you sing it straight back to me. Let's try a verse. Sun is rising in the sky. Sun is rising in the sky, telling me it's time to rise, telling me it's time to rise. Who knows what the day may bring? Who knows what the day may bring? So this is the song I'll sing. So this is the song. Ready? Yonder! Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is a rising in my soul. Sun is rising in the sky. Sun is rising in the sky, telling me it's time to rise, telling me it's time to rise. Who knows what today may bring? Who knows what today may bring? So this is the song I'll sing. So this is the song Yonder! Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Yonder come day, oh my soul. Yonder come day, day is a breaking. Sun is a rising in my soul. So as you go out today, wandering around, maybe you might wander singing Yonder Come Day, greeting the new day, not only outside, but in our hearts as well. Thank you so much for your wonderful singing. It sounds really fantastic, and it's been such a pleasure for me to be here today and leading you in these songs. I'm going to be back tomorrow at 1 o'clock with some different songs, so do come along and join us then. In the meantime, keep practicing, keep singing, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.